Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to build basic formulas in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Now, let us get started. Before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date, and this is so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Also, as you can see, right here I have a Google Sheets file with numerical data in it, and if you're still not familiar with how to create a new Google Sheets file and how to enter and edit data in Google Sheets, we should have a tutorial uploaded in the dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. So please be sure to check it out. Now, as you can see right here, I have 4 sets of numerical data, and I would like to build a basic formula along these values. Now, the basic formulas that I am telling you are the different operation or mathematical operators that we can use in Google Sheets, such as plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Now, let's say for example, I would like to add cell A1 and cell A3. All I have to do is to press the equal sign. Then the first numerical value that I would like to add is the cell A1. And then I would just click the plus icon on my keyboard. Sorry. And then the second numerical value that I would like to add, sorry, I have mistaken this cell A6. I'm supposed to put it here in cell A5. Plus icon, and then the next cell that I would like to add is cell A3. From here, as you can see, we have a preview of the answer, but if we would like to enter, then just press enter. And then you can just drag it if you want to extend it. But if you would like to change the formula, just double click on this cell to edit the formula. And if we would like to, let's say for example, subtract cell A1 from cell A3 or cell A4, just to make it different, all you have to do is to change the sign to minus and then this cell to A4 and then press enter. Now as you can see, we can just simply subtract the two values together using a simple set of formula or a basic formula here in Google Sheets. Now for the mathematical operator that you are going to use for multiplication is the asterisk sign. You can just press Shift plus 8 on most keyboards, like so, for multiplication. And then for division, you have to press the slash button between the two different cells. Then press enter. And that's it for the building basic formula here in Google Sheets. If you learned something, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.